is Dylan. Welcome to my daily trading analysis video. Today is a Wednesday, 27th of May. Alright, we're going to start off with the euro against the US dollar. So this is the 4-hourly chart. As you see, the price has been falling, and yesterday itself it has already fell even further. And right now it is seen exhausted at the price of, as it reaches the price of 1.0870, slightly below the 61.8% retracement level. And right now we are seeing the price is beginning to retrace. So during the smaller time frame, we are still expecting the price will fall even further since it has already broke below the 61.8% level. Right, so based on the 1-hourly chart itself, price might be forming a falling trend channel right here. Of course, we have yet to see price to reach the bottom of it. So right now we are just waiting for retracement. Probably as it touches the 55 moving average, we can start to look for opportunity to go for the shorts. Alright, expecting price to fall all the way to at least the price of 1.0811, which is the Fibonacci expansion 161.8% level. Of course, we are expecting price to fall even further since it has already broken below the 200 moving average, which signals the price may fall a lot further from there. Alright, so that's for the euro against the US dollar. Next, we have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Alright, price has also broke new low as it broke below the final exhaustion level, 161.8% at the price of 0.7282 right here. So right now we are seeing the price is beginning to retrace. We are expecting price to, of course, to fall even further back to the previous low at the price of 0.7190. Alright, so this is the previous low at the price of 0.7190. And so right now, just zooming the smaller time frame, in the 1-hourly chart itself, we'll be looking for the short opportunity as it touches the 55 moving average, which is also at the previous support level, which will eventually turn resistant for this situation itself. So just wait for price to retrace before you go for the shorts. First level will be back to this support level at 0.7222, and then to the previous low at 0.7190. Alright, from there onwards, you might want to plot your Fibonacci expansion level again to see how far can we go. Alright, in fact, I actually have one level right here. It's at the price of 0.7076. So that will be the final take profit level, and that's all for New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Next, we have the pound against the US dollar. So price has also fallen a little bit further, and finally it got supported at the 200 moving average. Also, we have identified that it's actually a falling trend channel based on the 1-hourly time frame, and price is currently at the bottom of the falling trend channel, expecting price to rebound since it has also pulled back as it touches the 200 moving average. So you might want to trade, you might want to go for intraday to trade the retracement till it goes back to the top of the channel itself, or rather you can wait for retracement. Then before you go for the short opportunity. Alright, first level will be at the price of 1.5485 if you were to go for a long right now. That will give you about 60 to 70 pips of profits, and then all the way back to the top of the channel itself. Alright, of course, if we were to be able to short as it touches the top, first level will be at the 200 moving average, followed by the 38.2% retracement level, and back to the bottom of the channel, and then to the support level at 1.5090. So that's pretty straightforward for the pound against US dollar. Next, we have the Aussie against the US dollar. Alright, so price has also fallen further, and right now it is being supported at the price of 0.7723, Fibonacci expansion 127.2%, expecting price to retrace a little bit, and then we shall look for the short opportunity right after the retracement. So zooming into the 1-hourly time frame, I'm waiting for price to retrace all the way back to the 55 moving average before looking for the short opportunity. You might want to set, if you were to happen to see a trade setup at the 55 moving average, you might want to set you might want to ensure that your stop loss is about 40 pips above the 55 moving average. Right, this is just based on the previous record right here. It actually cut above the 55 moving average by 34 pips. So to be safe, you might want to put further pips away. But of course, we're expecting this time around to be we are expecting that price will respect the 55 moving average much better this time round. Alright, so that's for the Aussie against US dollar. Of course, first level will be back to the support level at 0.7723 and all the way back and all the way to the final exhaustion level. Weibo has mentioned 161.8% at the price of 0.7603 and finally to the previous low at the price of 0.7532. Alright, so that's for the Aussie against the US dollar. Next, we have the dollar against Japanese yen. As we have seen, that price has rallied and it has finally broke above the basically it has gone to the 8 years low 8 years high, breaking above the previous high at the price of 121.84, and it has rallied and got resisted at the final exhaustion level, the price of 123.05. Right now we are seeing exhaustion right here, expecting the price to make some significant retracement before we go for a long opportunity again. And you might want to, this time around, you might want to take note of the 20 moving average as the as a key support level to go for a long opportunity as the dollar against the Japanese yen begins to rally and goes and rise on a rising trend itself. Alright, so that's pretty much for the dollar against the Japanese yen. If you would like to go for the short right now, of course, if we base on the 1 hourly charts, the final take profit level would be at the price would be at the 55 moving average. In this case, that would be about 70 pips of profits. Alright, so that's for the dollar against Japanese yen. If not, just wait for retracement and wait for a long opportunity. Next, we have the dollar against the Swiss franc. Price has appreciated further ever since it broke above the 200 moving average and the top of the falling trend channel. Alright, and then right now it has also broke above one of the key resistance level at the price of 0.9492. Weibo expansion 127.2%, which is also a previous key support level. And right now we are seeing the price is retracing, so we might want to zoom in the 1 hourly charts. Alright, we might want to take a look to see if we can go for a long opportunity as it got supported again at the price of 0.9492. If it breaks below, then we shall look at the 55 moving average as the next support level to go for the long. But however, if price were to fall even further, then we shall use the 200 moving average in the 4 hourly charts as the next support level as well. Alright, so that's pretty much for the dollar against the Swiss franc. And last but not least, I would just like to touch on the Aussie against the New Zealand dollar. Alright, so this is the daily charts. As you can see right here, there is actually a inverse head and shoulder that's forming right here. Alright, price has appreciated a lot and finally got resisted at the price of 1.0843, somewhere at the retracement level of 61.8%. And it is also the final exhaustion level for the retracement right here. And of course, based on the a probable inverse head and shoulder formation, price is still pretty far away from finishing forming the second shoulder of the inverse head and shoulder. So we might want to look for a short opportunity based on the 15-minute charts as price touches the 200 moving average. Alright, this is just based on the previous pattern. Alright, price has been resisted by 200 moving average numerous times. So if it came back and got resisted again, you might want to go for the shorts. Alright, placing about 20 pips of stop loss will be good enough. Alright, so that's pretty much for the Aussie against the New Zealand dollar. And with that, I've come to the end of my trading analysis video for today. So thank you for watching and good luck for the rest of the trading day.